Hi, here is a video showing you how to stitch a simple snowflake using the Lazy Daisy. Use 6 strands of the stranded embroidery cotton. I begin by working small Lazy Daisy petals to make the flower in the center of the snowflake. I'm using a dark shade of grayish purple color. Next, I take a lighter shade of the color and work back stitches to make the arms of the snowflake. I work 3 stitches on a single arm. Then I work 3 lazy daisies on either side of each arm. These are slightly longer lazy daisies. After finishing all the arms, I make a lazy daisy on the tip of each arm with a slightly lighter shade of the grayish purple color. Now, to join the tip with the rest of the arm, take a metallic thread and come out from inside the stitch made on the tip. Then, pass the needle under the back stitch to create a loop like the lazy daisy and come back into the earlier lazy daisy stitch. To give a finishing touch, take a few strands of the metallic thread and weave it between the lazy daisy stitches in the center. This is optional. The snowflake looks beautiful otherwise too. So that's my snowflake using the simple lazy daisy stitch.